Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to use regression method to estimate fixed cost and variable cost per unit. Okay, first I'm going to use homework example. Okay, the homework, this is the last question from homework in chapter 5. I'm going to use this as example. Okay, so what I try to do right here is I'm going to try to do copy and paste everything to the Excel. Okay, so you see that we have one column for labor hours, we have one column for overhead costs. Okay, all right. Let's try to show you how to use the regression method to do it. First, you go to data. Okay, as the one I show you in the class, you should have a button here. Okay, if your Excel just like the one I have, you don't have the button here, then you should do this. File, option, you go to add-ins. Okay, you go to Excel add-in, try to select the first one. Okay, you check the first one. Okay, analysis 2-pack, and you click OK. Okay, as you can see right now, you have the button here. All right. Okay, we can use the button right here, and then we select regression. Click OK. Okay, it will start the regression. Okay, what we need to do is right here. I'm going to select the Y range. I'm going to select X range. Okay, for the Y range, because we know that our overhead cost is going to be our dependent variable. Okay, and labor hours is going to be independent variables. So for the Y, I'm going to select the overhead cost. For the X, I'm going to select the labor hours. Okay, make sure you don't select the first row. Okay, what I want to do is I'm going to select the area with numbers. Okay, the area from numbers. That's why it starts from C2 all the way to C25. Okay, the same thing here for column F, F2 all the way to column F25. Okay, and that's why since we I select only the range with numbers, so I'm not going to check labors. Okay, and also I'm going to check the constant to be 0. Okay, if you check this one constant to be 0, Excel will force your fixed cost to be 0, so don't check this one. So I'm not going to touch any button right here. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click OK. Okay, after you click OK, you see that Excel will create a new worksheet. Okay, which is by default it's going to be sheet 2. Okay, you see that. Okay, this one it's going to show you the intercept, the variable X variable. And again, this two number, this one, the first one, intercept, is going to be our fixed cost. Okay, the last one is going to be this one is going to be our variable cost per unit. Okay, and the third number you need to pay attention to is adjust R square. Okay, sometimes you just have R square. Okay, it's the same. If you have two, you have the R square and adjusted R square. Okay, the adjust R square should be the one you focus on. Okay, if you only have R square, then just look at R square. All right. So the adjust R square, it shows you how good the fit is gonna be. Okay, it range from 0 to 1. Okay, and since this one is close to 0.09, it means that 90% is around 90% of the variation in Y. Okay, it's going to be explained by X. Okay, it's going to be explained by our regression model. Okay,